Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we are again down Walking Street, Bangla Road, Phuket, Thailand. Let's go for a walk and see what we can find tonight. Just outside the Thai bar. Going for a walk down Bangla. Let's go. Plenty of lovely women everywhere. Thank you. There we go. Yeah, kebabs there. You eat kebabs on every corner, mate. Don't know how good that meat. I reckon I saw that meat today getting cooked. It was raw when they put it on. Not for me. Although I love a kebab. Meat's beautiful. But I don't know about from here though. Welcome to the channel. If it's the first time you've ever been here, I do walking videos in Thailand, all over Thailand actually, Bangkok, Pattaya I should say, you name it, I do it. So sit back, relax and enjoy this little walk down Bangla Road. Phuket, Thailand. At the quiet end at the moment, I think, so we'll just go for a quick walk down, have a look and see what's going on. The chill bar, people there chilling out, having a few quiet drinks. There's the Sugar Club, empty. Sitting over here. Secret bar, a few people in there enjoying themselves, having a good time. IQ bar, IQ1 and 2 bar, a few people in there. There's the famous Illusion nightclub. Those steps, mate, very empty though. Very empty. But Bangla Road is actually pretty packed at the moment. Heaps of people around. New York Live Music Bar. Band's going. It's all over. Packed. Well, this band's going off outside the Barbara bar. That one. Oh, Spider-Man going off. Madam Wong. Love Shack, empty, no one there. Very busy down that section. Very busy. That's a really naughty section, you know what I mean? Down there. 2 people in there. The lady boys getting a photo taken with them, no thanks. Heroes Bar, Rockstar Bar. Black Horse, been there a long time. Always nice place that. Good place to go to. This joint, oh, look at her go. Wow. Pretty cool. Bit of an acrobat. There's the Joker. Ruby's is quiet. Club is very quiet. No, thank you. She's off her chops. Off her chops. Sunset Bar and Restaurant. It's always a full place. That's nice. Good drinks in there. Kangaroo Bar. Full of Aussies. Yeah, totally like it. The Russians. Dusk till dawn. Mate, there are people everywhere. Moulin Rouge. Dublin pub. Sorry. Bar going on. Oh, bang for me. The Star, right? Bar. Guys, coming to the end now of Bangla Road down the beach end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you like what you saw, please subscribe, hit the like button, the thumbs up, leave a comment. Everything helps and makes this channel grow. I'd greatly appreciate it if you could take your time and do that. No, thank you, mate. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it here in a sec. I'll just come around out through here and say goodbye to you all. Until the next episode, which will probably be in a couple of days. Who knows where we're going to be. Plenty of places in Phuket, that's for sure, to go for a walk. Beautiful. Looks like they're setting up for